What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Toya Cherie, and I am back with another video. And I just want to put this video out to just a lot of people, a lot of young people, a lot of older people, just people in general, to, just to give a little motivation on life, and in general, I'm talking about, well, not in general, but in more specific, I'm talking about just how to manifest your dreams, and I feel like in this world nowadays, a lot of kids get discouraged and they feel like, it's only one path to success, which is like college, and that's absolutely false. So, not saying that college is not good. If you want to go to college and that's your path, please do it, and please, take your path seriously. But I just want to come to you guys, give you just 5, tips on just how to manifest your dreams, and just, give you a little motivation on how to accomplish some things in your life. And I think, as far as manifest, that's something that not a lot of people know how to do. And you have to be able to manifest things, because that's how it's going to come to fruition. That's how it's going to, come about and become reality, So, and to manifest things, it's a mind thing. It's really about your mind and how you set your mindset on certain things and certain goals. So I would say, like, the first one would be, first you need to identify what you would like. What is your goals? What would you like to come true? Is it you want to have a big house? You want a car? You want to be rich? You want to be financially free? You want to have a husband and the kids and the family? Whatever it is, your goal, you need to identify that, and you need to focus and keep your eyes on that. That's the main thing. Okay, so you need to first identify what it is you want, and then try to figure out how you can go about attaining that goal. But you need to be focused on that goal. Okay, you can't stray away. And then I would say number 2 is you need to have expectations, meaning that if you want one of your goals to come true, or if you want something to happen, then you need to have the mindset that it's going to happen. You need to expect it to happen. Okay, you can't just be like, oh, I don't know, it might happen, it might not. No. Your mindset, should be, it is going to happen. It will happen. And that's where, you need to set your mind and say, okay, yeah, this is going to happen. You can't doubt yourself. You have to have, the awareness to say, yes, it's going to happen. You need to be confident in your dreams and saying, it's going to happen. It will happen, and I will make it happen. And you have to expect it to happen just how you want it. Okay, so you have to have that in your mind. Third, I would say, is you need to imagine it. So just like your expectations, you need to have that imagination. You need to imagine what it is to feel like if you have this big old house, or if you have, the car that you want to drive. How is it going to feel to drive that car? You need to have that in your mindset. How does it make you feel? You have to imagine yourself in that goal, in your dream, and you have to, soak in that feeling, because that feeling is what's going to attract, your dreams coming true. You imagining yourself, being in your dreams, being in your goals, doing the things that you want to do, being happy, then in the atmosphere, it's going to come back to you. So, you reap what you sow. So what you put in, you're going to get back. So you need to put out all of this, energy into the atmosphere, which is my number 4 point, energy. You have to have a good positive vibes, good energy about yourself. So you can't be, you have to be very optimistic, very positive. I'm a positive person. So I'm a big believer that when you're positive about things, that they're going to happen. And if you keep talking about them and saying them, that they're going to happen. And you can't say, oh, I don't know, it might not happen. Well, that's just being negative. Even if you don't feel like it may or may not, you still just be optimistic. You be positive. You have a positive outlook that it will happen. It may not happen today. It may not happen tomorrow. It may not happen a year or two from now, but it's going to happen. And that will keep you on the track of being positive and staying focused on your goal and expecting it to happen. Nothing happens overnight, but what I'm saying is the more energy and the more thoughts that you put into your goals, it will start to happen and you will start to see progress. And I would say the fifth thing is just to use, tools. Everybody says, use affirmations, and that is a great way to start. Affirmations, things that you will say every day to keep you motivated. Like, yes, I will do this. This will happen. I am successful. I will have money. I will have that house. I will get that job. Whatever it is that you're trying to get, you need to continue to say that. And so that it will continue to come. Because it's just the energy that you bring. You can do poster boards. You can, a lot of people do poster boards, and they will post pictures and things of that nature on their poster boards, things that they want, because that's a visual confirmation of the things that you want. And so when you see that every day, it just gives you the motivation and to keep you on the right path of what you want. So yeah, you can use poster boards, journals, affirmations, write anything down that you think that you feel is important to you. Write it down daily. Listen to positive speaking, things of that nature, and that will, I'm telling you, bring about your dreams, and they will start to manifest. Because when you're putting out that positive energy and you're continually saying, yes, this is gonna happen, I'm gonna do this, it will happen, and you start to believe it. That's the biggest thing. You have to believe in what you're saying. You can't just say it. You have to believe it. You have to say, yeah, I don't care if I'm not where I'm at or where I need to be right now. It's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? And that, if you believe it, is what's going to get you to that next level of manifestation for where your dreams are going to come true. So that's just a little bit of things that I just, wanted to give you guys a little positive message, just to help out in any way I can. If you have any questions, comments, I would love to hear them. Any positive stories or things that you manifested, let me know. I want to hear everything, I want everybody to succeed and everybody to be their best. So I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching.